Okay, we are back with the road to Bird. We are now how many games away? 5 games away from Larry Bird. No, I lied. I lied. From Dennis Rodman. Then we gotta do the 2010s for Larry Bird. Okay, this Houston Rockets team ain't that great, so. Oh yeah, they have Clyde, huh? Huh. Forgot this one had Clyde. Anyway, still not like that hard. So I'm expecting to drop like 85, 90 points. Um, doesn't happen all the time though, but I'm expecting that. Their starting lineup isn't bad, and that's what they're gonna have on most of the time. Also joining us from the sidelines, David Aldridge. And here's the starting lineup for Providence. Anthony is out there with I didn't even jump. I didn't even jump. I got Horace Grant in. Oh, you gonna take advantage? Alright, alright. I can't even get mad at you, CPU. Take advantage of what you gotta take advantage, because I'm about to come back and go crazy on you. Whoa, game. Where's my dunk? Why did you give me a... Ooh. Clyde. Mr. Glide. I definitely crossed over. Okay. I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need that. Oh, you. What the hell? Yes, sir. Where you going, Kenny? Ooh, hell no. Wow. Um. Why the hell did you? I mean, if you're gonna give it to me, I'm gonna take it. Get that, Kyrie. Mmm. Two hands for safety. Wow. Um. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Ah. I can't. I still, like I said, can't get mad. Take advantage of it, CPU. You don't need it. Again. This time, we're getting our dump. Yeah. Yeah. I seen that mellow. That nigga, he was getting hype. Cashy. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, you're so lucky this game is so bad. I don't know why Smith was getting double teamed. I didn't ask for it, but okay, thank you. You gonna leave Giannis open on the break? Out of all the players on my team, this is actually surprisingly a good game. Okay. Watch this though. I'm about to end that right now. Wow, that took forever to start shooting, bro. Wow. Oh, what the? Come on. You just abused Giannis, bro. Oh, nice spin. Don't do that. Son Kim. Oh, whoa. Son Kim's not in. I'm dumb. That was last game I had Son Kim in. I switched him out for Horace. You guys actually called a timeout. Y'all don't call timeouts usually till like third quarter. I'll take it. No, 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 no. John Wall, John Wall. Paul Pierce, Chow. Oh, Sean Kemp is in. Huh. Wait, wait, wait. Did I just mess up? I did. Damn. DeMarcus Cousins. Ah. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Let him take those two. DeMarcus Cousins and John Wall is now a Galaxy. This is what we wanted. We wanted an Opal John Wall. Ooh, what you doing? Nah, 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 nah. I don't want it. I don't need it. I don't need it. Oh, I do need it. Oh, oh, oh no. Why did I hold it so long? Hell no. Come on, we just attacked the lead foot, bro. We attacked the lead foot. We attacked the lead foot. Come on, Sammy. Sammy. Ooh, nice shot, nice shot, nice shot. Trash. Oh, again? Again? Why the are you giving me a damn layup? Yo, this game just chooses the dumbest possible animations. A layup, bro, when he had the... Oh, that's him. Ah. I should have just shot it. I thought I would have had it. Should have shot it. It's all good. Did I have ball first? No, they did, they did, they did. I didn't even jump. Okay, John Ball. Damn, bro. Slightly early. Every time I think I got it, it's slightly early. Oops. No worry, I'll come back in a second. Just doing things. Nick, why is he not? Oh. I don't know why, like, 2K gives me layup animations. Sometimes when I should be getting dunk animations. 2K. No, no, no. No, no, no. I don't have to hold it for, like, good shooters. Damn. There you go. That's what we was trying to get from you, bro, for the illest bit. Oh, that's an. Okay. Paul Pierce. Ooh. Get him. All for me. It's actually hot, bro. Whew, man. Kevin Johnson. Ugh. Damn. Westbrook and Sean Kemp. Kevin Johnson really surprised me how good he played last game. Oh shit. What? Ooh, ooh, ooh. I should have just took advantage of that. Wow, game. Wow, game. Y'all just had that man get blocked by nothing, basically. Okay. Oh, shit. What the hell was that game? Bro, what is with these damn disgusting ass picks, bro? Are we trying to lose this game, like, with these disgusting picks? Disgusting picks, bro. Ooh, you are so lucky. Can you stop? I'm not letting you do that shit, bro. See what I mean? He be working, bro. He be working. No. Some slow ass shit. You see, he's quick. He just be running. Oh, Paul Pierce is hot. Ooh, that was a ill little glide right there. Ooh, thank you. I'm not even gonna worry about that, bro. I feel like I was the last one to touch it, but hey, whatever the ref says, whatever the ref says, happened. Damn, Westbrook. Oh my, what is with these passes, bro? Pick this pocket, my ass. I am sweating bullets. Fuck. You just gave it to me. Thank you. Yeah, that's way too easy. I could have just pulled up if I wanted. Oh, Sam Cassell. Oh, whoa, thank you. How did that happen? I swear the ball went in the opposite direction. He slapped it. Get that shit out of here, boy. Go to the line. Go to the line. How dare you? How dare you? I mean, he's gonna make them both, but how dare you? Just learn your lesson. Oh my. Phantom. I knew.
Trux's got 4 points in the quarter. And how about the offensive explosion here by Clyde has really developed his skill set. No one's been able to match up with him all night. And Providence decides to take their first time out here.
Put Kyrie back in. Devin Booker back in. We'll put Miles Bridges in. Giannis. And Grant.
And it's a completely new group for Providence. Here in this third quarter, just over a minute play.
Oh, what is this?
Irving for 3.
Whoa, Slayton late?
He'll miss that one, but still a really good start coming off the break. 3 for 4 now.
Nice D, nice D, nice D.
And it's Olajuwon missing. Providence leading by 12. Here's Bridges. Jams it in. Just an impressive dunker of the basketball. I love how Bridges just takes the initiative and gets funky with his throwdown.
Get funky.
And the pass to Drexler.
Ooh.
7th bucket of the contest. He's 7 for 9.
He's going off. He's going off.
Here's Irving.
That is just.
And he uses
Okay, I was about to say. I was about to say.
lead up to 14 now for Providence. Not a lot of resistance on the inside.
I can't believe they make you get 100 steals. I think I'm at like 60.
Well, this guy, Kyrie Irving, just so reminiscent of his idol, Kobe Bryant. He is one of the cold-blooded scorers in the game, and absolute torture for a defender to guard.
The lead's checked in for the Rockets.
Where are you going?
The Rockets again get hit. And it's Providence's ball. 14 points, their largest lead in the game. And they've worked the ball around so well tonight for those quality looks from mid-range. And the other door is from both Kyrie and Kobe.
The hell was that?
To step out on his own.
You gonna try that on Giannis?
Fingerprints on a team.
No doubt, yeah. For Kobe, it was Shaq.
There you go.
It was LeBron. And think about last season.
I thought it was gonna be Giannis, but I'll give it to him.
Apologize, but let's not kid ourselves, right? He is most comfortable in this starring.
Hell no. Hell.
Olajuwon. Nice work on the board.
God.
With the basket.
Damn, bro.
Olajuwon's got 6 points. Such a graceful player. He is right off the ground there for that rebound, and then the skill to send that one home. The 3, Bridges. Good, and the assist goes to Irving. Irving's got 6 assists in the game.
You simply must play better defense than that. This guy is too good from distance.
The fact he got away with that, that's crazy. That should have been a steal. I'll let you.
Teardrop shot. Here's the second.
Nice pass, nice pass, nice pass.
And the three off target.
Oh, that's in.
They have been board dominant.
That's two. That's two.
That's what a star talent does. If Bridges wants to fulfill his
Yes,
potential, he's
sir.
got to attack. Use that quick first step. Houston trails by 21. Knocked loose and stolen by Booker. Jumps up.
That's three.
Dunked by Booker. Well, there you go. One team operating on all cylinders at both ends. Steals, fast break.
3 in a row.
And the other team in scramble mode. Step check in for the Rockets.
Well, there are very few
Ooh, nice
scorers
spin.
in the NBA who are as explosive as Devin Booker.
Ooh.
Well, in this
Look out up there. Sheesh.
take over a game from just about
Over Giannis, too.
the floor, and there's nothing the defense can do about it.
You don't want to do that.
Giannis dishes to Booker.
Ooh.
Providence now working with a new shot clock.
Oh, you got this, man.
Giannis against Gordon. Shot clock at 6.
Mmm.
Jumped by Giannis.
I like Robert Horry, but he ain't stopping Giannis. Giannis?
That was ferocious. And so here is Houston. 40 seconds left in the third. Cassell gets the bucket.
I'll let you get that. Let's be clear.
So it's Irving with it. Bring it up for Providence. Pulls up It's
Okay.
Houston.
Because you couldn't just turn around and shoot. You had to turn around, move, and shoot.
Yep, it counts.
And do a fadeaway.
From the three-point line anymore. They had a lot more attempts in that first
Oh,
half.
wow.
From the arc.
Get out of here, game, with that slightly early bullshit.
From this guy, just struggling to make shots right now.
There's Smith. Giannis Antetokounmpo grabs for miss.
Fine, you want to hit me with that slightly early bullshit? What's this? I lied. Whoa!
And he got that
I passed the ball.
time, but doesn't go in. And it's
I passed the ball, and it shot.
finishing the quarter with a 20-point lead.
I would not shoot a 3 with Giannis unless I was wide open.
Assist of the game.
Miles Bridges is right there.
He known as a pass-first guy playing out of the two-guard spot, but he shows here that he can go out an assist or two when he needs to.
Well, having multiple playmakers on the floor makes you a much tougher team to defend.
Ooh,
There have been
ooh,
two
ooh.
very different performances
Ooh,
from
okay.
these teams today. They get going in
I like
quarter
that.
number 4.
I like that.
Setting the floor for Providence.
So I just do with you?
We've got Booker, Antetokounmpo out there at Bridges.
My turn.
And there's Irving.
What the hell? The hell do I keep getting an early release?
Here's the break. Drexler passes to Smith. Good D by Booker. Plus 8 in the rebound differential. One more reason why they're in control. The shot's good.
Finally. Sheesh.
I love that Kyrie Irving doesn't settle for something on the perimeter. He goes right to the cup.
Now a timeout called by Houston. You know, the
I wasn't calling a timeout.
last few seasons
We too far ahead. I don't care. There's no way they're coming back.
adding to an already superstar level game.
Mm.
Providence on D. Smith surveying the D. Pass to Drexler.
How the hell?
A shot, no good. Great D that time for Westbrook.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Career highs for him in both.
The hell was that, 2K?
There's just an electricity to what Drexler can do. The leapability, the creativity, once in air, that's elite level stuff.
Ooh, I try to get that man.
Outside, Wall.
I try to get that man. No, I don't want to.
Johnson outside.
Where's my screen?
Just 4 to shoot.
Wow, game.
From deep three-point range. And they turn over the 24
Wow,
seconds.
game. Where's my damn screen? That was trash.
Ball against Smith.
You can shoot that. Good. Go ahead.
Drexler outside.
Why are you scared to shoot that?
Out to the right wing. Here's Ori. Olajuwon trying to break free. The shot by Ori. No good. A drive by Anthony. And it's Anthony with the jam.
Carmelo Anthony. I wasn't even looking.
Here's Drexler. Olajuwon. Controls the rebound and puts it back up and in.
Did he just lose the ball, pick it up, and then take a shot? Okay.
Anthony looking it over. Sinks the triple.
You know, you can tell the three-point shot is something that Melo has developed over his course of time in the league.
Gazelle against Johnson.
Ooh.
Here's Smith. Lays it up off the glass.
Well, there's an aggressive mentality in play. Working close, find a way to score.
Providence leading by 19 points. Eastbrook with a wide open look. Off target with his three.
He couldn't be
Late now, huh?
opening buzzer.
Oh, what the hell just happened?
Points. And here's Wall out. Hits the three-point.
John Wall.
And they have been relentless from deep. And you see the defense trying to react, but to know that
Shoot the ball. God damn.
Greg, if you space the floor well enough, it's almost impossible for the defense to account for everyone.
Kicks it to Johnson. The three from Anthony.
We're just wilding right now, bro.
6 to shoot. And another basket for Providence. And a big play there to mute the crowd.
The crowd's been on mute for like since second quarter. How does he get that back every time I?
Up again. It's good on the putback. And he's now got the double-double. 10 points and 10 rebounds.
big time putback there. What a great motor on this guy.
There is no one who goes after those rebounds harder. They get it back. Fires for three. That's good. And so Wall with the assist.
Yeah, coming down the stretch, they've become reliant upon their perimeter game.
Boy, the three-point arc has been a major factor in what they've done here tonight. You love the aggressiveness.
Gazelle gets the bucket.
Have to love the ball distribution. Keep everyone involved.
And it's Providence's ball. Ball against Smith. The ball kicks to Johnson. Back to Wall. Sends it home.
Making every effort to put this game.
Yes, sir.
Well, just terrific teamwork, GA. Each
Don't
guy
ever
did
do
his
that shit
part.
again in your
What we've
life.
seen from them tonight.
Ah! I try to end it like an asshole.
And so Providence takes the win. This crowd was stunned by the manner in which their team was just.
Damn, 22 from 3? Shee. Not the greatest game. Not the greatest game. But it was I had a little hiccup. Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video. If you have any video requests, put them in the comment section below. Put them in the comment section below. You can hit me up and my social media is gonna be in the description. And with that, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.